Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. And this time we're going to do something for the health freaks. Those who like simple and cook in its own sauce. It's going to be Pinaupong Manok, meaning to say the chicken is sitting down, okay? So, what does it really have? We have one whole chicken. And to make the chicken fragrant, we're going to use lemongrass, and we're really supposed to use the leaves of young tamarind. But since it's not the season, so instead we're going to use the leaves of onions, leeks. Okay? So, to bring out the flavor of lemongrass, you pound the white egg. So it's going to be a bit noisy. Out the flavor of lemongrass. And then we're going to make a nut. So it can go inside the cavity of the chicken. Now, what's very important with the Pinaupong Manok is that you use either a ceramic pot, a clay pot if you're lucky, but it's very hard to find clay pots around nowadays. So this is really a clay ceramic pot. And why? Because it's going to be cooked with the help of pure salt. Okay? If you use something metal like aluminum or stainless, you have the probability of ruining your pot. So, not to ruin your pot, you use either a clay pot or a ceramic pot, or like I have in the other demo I made, a vision or a glass pot. Okay? So, first we're going to put the salt. So this is about 1 1/2 kilos salt to 2 kilos of salt. Then, remember I taught you how to wilt banana leaves? Now we're going to use some of that banana leaves to line this pot so that you make the chicken sit not on salt itself like it used to be in the olden recipes. You made the chicken sit in the salt. But that part of the chicken became too salty, so I said there must be another way. So the other way is to line it with banana leaves. Okay, what you want is the heat that will be created with the salt and the pot, and not just salt. Okay. So here is your little chicken. And so we'll rub a little salt and pepper on it. Thyme. And some pepper. Okay, this is an added thing to the recipe. I put a little mirin to remove the fishy taste of the chicken. Just a tablespoon. Now we're going to put the leeks, or onions, or if you're lucky, the tamarind leaves inside. Then the smashed up lemongrass. Then we're going to make it sit inside the pot. Then I cover it with another banana leaf. And now it's ready to go over the fire. about an hour until the chicken is cooked. It cooks itself using the salt method. Okay, now the Pinaupong Manok is ready to be served. There was a slight accident and the other pot burst, okay? Maybe because I haven't used the pot in a long time and the fire of one of my burners is a little bit on the high side, so it made kaboot. We had to be MacGyver, think. We had to transfer it to another pot. This is a glazed pot, so the salt is not going to interact with the pot. Here's the chicken that has been stuffed with lemongrass and green onions. And now we're going to slice. Now, really, my favorite part is not the breast. I'm not a breast person. I'm a leg, thigh person. Okay, so I'm going to take the leg and the thigh. And then, this is the sauce that was made. It has black vinegar, soy sauce, minced ginger and garlic, sauteed, and this is it. Like that. Okay, ready to taste. So tender and so juicy, so super healthy. If somebody is on a diet, this is a good thing to serve. But it's also good for those who are feeling down under the weather because it's very healthy and tasty. It's not just, boiled. It has the herbs that gives the flavor and then it's so yummy. Try it. It is easy to do, but what's important is you get a non-corrosive pot to cook it. Try it. Do.
Okay, hanggang dyan ka lang. Go!
Are we in?